Yeah, right now I'm just coming back from the mechanic, and I want to start my vlogging today. I just wish I could have the zeal and confidence to be vlogging as usual. I'm not that used to this. Okay, so let's kick the ball rolling. Today I just want to talk about how I found myself in the mechanic workshop. You know, it's quite scary in that I was driving my car for about 3 months. I didn't notice that the oil was mixing with the water. So just 5 days ago, when I went to and I wanted to change the water, then I noticed that there's oil popping top of the water. So I went to the mechanic. Then he told me it's so dangerous to be driving with this kind of problem. So that's how I went, and he took him quite a long time to fix the car, actually, because he had to bring all the engine out and reassemble them again. And by the way, I'm just vlogging from my car right now. It's okay, the sound is much better than before. And I want to say that for about 3 months, if I'm not mistaken, or 2 months and a half, we were just stuck indoor, Today is the first day officially driving for the past 2 months and a half. It's really crazy that all days we were just doing the same thing at home. But for me, it's quite good because I play with my kids, and we spend time together, and I think this is a very good moment that all parents have to be happy for, in a positive form. Yeah, in my vlog I will be talking about life as a foreigner in Iran. Please don't mind me, I'm just blogging from my phone and doing 2 things at the same time, vlogging and driving. I'm going to tell you how it went in the mechanic, because sometimes language problem, and also how life has been treating us here in Iran, and the good and bad. I'm talking about the pros and cons. Sorry guys, I'm just wearing my nose mask just to, we had to wear it, so that's the reason. Yeah, by the way, it's really interesting that today it's a good day for me, because I just officially started vlogging today. I've been having my YouTube channel for long, but I didn't like pay attention. I think I can, vlog or make some videos about myself and my family. But with the help of the corona, everything is stopped. Our jobs, everything. So we're all at home. I want to use those chances to start a YouTube. I hope I'm gonna try my best. I'm not good, but just step by step. I'm about to arrive where I'm living. I'll be vlogging from my home. Everywhere I found it possible to vlog, I'll be doing that. So, thank you guys and wait for my updates. I hope you like this video. Thanks. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, so I can able to post more videos.